In the heart of Clockwork City, where iron towers touched the clouds and everything clanked and groaned with the music of machines, a great red dragon named Pyro perched atop a factory smokestack. He looked down at the rivers of smoke, roaring angrily at the dirty gray air, as pieces of old bricks crumbled beneath his claws. Deep below, massive steel doors creaked open from a hangar. Steam curled out in thick sheets, and red warning sirens filled the air with their urgent song. Whoop, whoop. All at once, a colossal robot rolled out on thick treads, its eyes shining a bright electric green. This was Mecha-X, with wide steel wings that unfolded with a mighty hiss, and joints that whined as metal scraped on metal. From the sky, Pyro dove, his powerful wings slicing the foggy air. The people of the city had built Mecha-X to control everything, even the dragons. They said, "Let the gods of iron replace the gods of flesh." Now the showpiece of their machines burned blue thrusters from its feet and blasted upwards to meet Pyro, leaving a boom and a trail of fire behind. The two mighty creatures circled in the clouds above the city, Pyro all scales, flame, and fury, Mecha-X all science, gadgets, and cold calculation. Inside Mecha-X's glowing eyes, digital numbers raced as it scanned Pyro. "Target acquired," came a sharp beep. With a deafening roar, Pyro spat a wide stream of hot orange fire straight for the machine. But Mecha-X shimmered as an energy shield appeared, turning the flames aside with nothing but a little crackle. The robot clacked open armored panels on its shoulders. Out popped spinning guns, raining a shower of lead down on the flying dragon. Pyro twisted and dove between clouds, the bullets just missing his tail. The chase streaked between the iron towers and smoky streets. Cars screeched and robots scattered as Pyro swooped low. Mecha-X crashed through a bridge, crushing it into splinters and dust. Quick as a flash, Pyro swung his mighty tail, breaking a water tower. The tinny crash sent water spilling all over Mecha-X. Sparks flew, and sizzling noises filled the air. Mecha-X shuddered, slowed for a second, and Pyro saw his chance. With a thunderous clang, the dragon landed right on the robot's back. He dug his claws into the armor, but Mecha-X twisted its body like a corkscrew, spinning way too far and screeching as gears protested. Without warning, Mecha-X's huge claws snapped shut around Pyro's throat and yanked him off, slamming him into a crumbling wall. Dust soared up in clouds. The robot's jaw split open, revealing a spinning green laser charging up to fire. In the hush before the strike, Pyro caught sight of the glowing power core right in Mecha-X's chest. The dragon made no move to flee. Instead, he took the deepest breath of his life. With a sound like thunder and a crackling bigger than any fire, Pyro didn't let loose a usual flame. He spat a dazzling, white-hot stream of plasma, the hottest fire anyone had ever seen. It melted even Mecha-X's super-strong metal, turning it red, then orange, then runny like lava. Systems sparking, the robot's green laser misfired, slicing a nearby building, sloosh, right in two. Pyro pounced, tearing at the now softened chest plate. With a great heave, the dragon ripped out the glowing green core. The light in Mecha-X's eyes faded, the machine shuddered, and with the hugest thud ever, it crashed in a heap of broken metal. Pyro stood tall atop the pile, still steaming from his mighty jaws. Little helper robots peeked from alleyways, beeped sadly, and rolled away afraid.